Good morning. It's 10 before 5. Time to take a look at the markets. Monday morning, Bryce Knorr of Farm Futures with us. Good morning, Bryce.
Well, good morning, Mick.
Tough day at the office on Friday. And are we a little bit better this morning?
Well, we started off weaker overnight. We have climbed off those lows a little bit, still down a penny or two. Pretty quiet trade so far. The grain market continues to look at both its own fundamentals and the chaotic outside markets. That's one reason why we have moved off our lows. The dollar's a little weaker. Stock index futures look like they may open a little higher, so not quite as fearful a tone on Wall Street, and that may give us a little bit of hope for support.
And part of the chaos is the uncertainty over Putin?
Well, there's that. There's all the issues of war and peace around the world going on, the continuing economic weakness over in Greece and Europe, as well as concerns about China. So just a whole lot of fear out there that's roiling a lot of these markets.
All right. You mentioned the fundamentals. What are they for corn and soybeans?
Well, we're continuing to kind of shift the focus now from old crop to new crop. We know that there are adequate, if not burdensome, supplies of all these crops around. The question is how many acres of which types of crops farmers are going to plant, and then what's the weather for the growing season going to be here in the United States. We'll be releasing results of our latest acreage survey Wednesday morning. Give us a little bit better focus on how these price movements have affected farmers' decisions over the winter.
And I assume you'll put that on your website, farmfutures.com?
That's right. We're also holding a webinar people can go to the website and sign up for.
Excellent. All right. Well, we'll do that. Livestock market trade this week, Bryce.
Well, the livestock, the cattle, cash held steady on Friday, but again, they've been rolled not only by the financial markets, but also by bird flu. If we can't export some of our chicken, that's going to wind up weakening the cash meat prices, particularly for pork, starting to weaken again.
All right. Bryce Knorr, Farm Futures. Thanks so much for waking up with us on Mondays. Appreciate the input. It's 4:52 coming up on 4:53. We're going to take a check at the forecast right after the break and a preview of what's coming up next on the Valley Today.